burns up to 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit actually.
Wow.
It's pretty warm. And this is the original shop here. The only difference is the building used to be just up the street a bit, and it was pulled down to this location here. But this has been in operation since the 1840s actually, this shop. You can see it's starting to heat it up there.
Wow.
You gotta get it to almost, well really a white hot would be a really good temperature for that. So I'm just turning this because it puts air through the fire. It's gonna make it a little hotter in there so it'll heat it up faster. See that? So just I'm gonna take this rounded end hammer, flatten the top of it. You only have so long to work on it because it cools down so quick, right? So you can see it cooling down. It's going to get harder and harder to move now. I'm going to put it back in. See how it's kind of spreading it out like that? Because the end of the hammer is round. Okay, so it's just going to fan it out a bit.
That was cool, eh?
And what would that be used for? Is that just a hook or something?
Yeah, we use them all the time. Like that. Okay. But we still make everything that you see on the table there behind you.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
So those are some things that have been done probably in the last, I'd say, month or so.